Sige, dito ako para
Kakain muna tayo, Mari.
No. You want me to get some? Okay, you got the...
Kain na, ito po.
Kain na.
Did you taste the shrimps? Are they spicy?
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Kasi Ivan, this is your plate. Can you eat na?
I cook it, but I never eat.
Oh, you
Yeah,
did
because
it.
I like
Look for you.
Oh, okay.
but this
They like it. Oh, okay.
Kasi meron
Salad,
ako
ay, steak. Where's the salad?
Right there.
kaya pumunta ko sa bumili ng gulay.
Go around.
Where's Miss B? She went upstairs real quick.